Welcome to day 2 of the bedside table project. Here I am just making some 45-degree cuts to make my steel rim that forms the rim of the bedside table. And as you can see, 35 by 65 3mm tube. They're not even close, to be honest. But this is steel. Steel's a very forgiving medium. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clamp them together. I'm just going to tune them up with the grinder. They're only out by a few millimeters, so nothing the grinder can't handle. Okay, once I clamped those together and got them same length, same angle, an acceptable gap, I just clamped them to the square side of the table there. Got them all tacked together, both sides, so it doesn't get bent. At this point you probably ask, why is he cutting this again? Well, the truth is, I cut the piece of form ply in the middle and I stuffed up a few times, had to retrim it, got so small. And when I had it inside the house, I realised the bedside table was way too big and I probably would have run out of timber making it. So I decided I was just going to reduce the size, so I did it at this stage. Okay, thanks for watching and stay tuned for day 3 when I put it all together.